Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Adobe Lightroom. It's a very great app for editing your photos and taking it to the next level. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's head to the App Store, and at the search bar let's tap in Adobe Lightroom, or it's also known as only like Lightroom. So let's tap in this button to install. It may take a while depending on the internet connection. You may have to wait for a while. So there you go, your Lightroom has been downloaded. All you have to do is tap in that open option. Also you can go back and check. So there it is. Now all you have to do is tap in the app itself and enjoy its features. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, drop the comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. You don't have an Adobe Podcast account and you want to create one and sign up for it, and then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Adobe Podcast. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along, and that's it. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. You can choose your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's type in that. And at the search bar, let's type in Adobe Podcast. It's already here, so let's tap in. And normally it's at the very top, so let's tap in this option at the very first. And at the top right corner you can see sign in option. Let's tap in there. It's loading, I guess. So here, if you already have an account, you can go through it, but since we're going to sign up, we're going to create an account. So you can see a create an account option that's literally written in the blue lettering. So let's tap in there. And here you can either type in your email address and password and hit that continue button, or there's another option. You can simply tap in that either of the option, like Google, Facebook, their icons, Apple, Microsoft, and Line. You can either tap into any of these options and you'll be able to create an account like that. It's very simple. So let's hit Google for now. It's loading. It may take a while. You may have to wait. And your account has been created. That's it. This is how you sign up for Adobe Podcast. I hope this video was helpful. If so, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.